Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports with our 2011 KTM 350 SXF. This is the perfect medium for the sport bike. It's got the power of a 450 and the lightweight and handling of a 250. Really, really clean bike. Looks like it's almost not been in the dirt. I'm going to come in here real close so you can see how clean it is up inside and by the carburetor and all. Back down by the shock. It's in really, really nice condition. It's got an FMF exhaust system on it. Phase 4 Smart Performance suspension upgrade, and we've got all the settings for that. Tires are in great shape. Really clean bike. I'm going to fire it up for you so you can see what it sounds like. Come by, check it out. We've got financing available. This bike is really, really cool. Thank you. Contra Costa Powersports.